the Central Washington University Museum of Culture and Environment. I'm one of the grad assistants here with my fellow graduate assistant, Carson. Today we are starting a new initiative called Science Saturdays, where we're going to try and attempt to teach you how to make slime.
Slime is an excellent demonstration of chemistry for kids. And so today we're going to show you how to do it with 3 easy ingredients in your own home to show you how mixing different things can create a new state of matter, if you will. I'm not a chemist. I may have totally just butchered that, but we're going to try it. So first things first, you need half a cup of glue. Regular Elmer's glue is totally fine. And then you need half a cup or a quarter of a cup of liquid cornstarch. Is that what this is called?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, liquid starch. And we're gonna attempt this where I'm gonna try it with a quarter of a cup and Diana's gonna try it with half a cup to see if our consistencies are any different. And then you also just need half a cup of water. So the first step is to mix your water and your glue together and combine it well. So let's try it. Maybe doing this on a paper plate wasn't my smartest move, but we're gonna try it anyway. Okay. There's the water. It's interesting when you do this, I don't know if you can see it in your bowl. When you mix the water and the glue together, the glue kind of sits on top.
It's interesting. I like that.
I wish I knew more about chemistry so I could explain why that works.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, and so once you get to this point, you're gonna wanna mix it together with a spoon or a fork or what have you. And you wanna make sure the consistency blends together. My glue is still sitting on top of my water. A note to parents that we probably should have said right at the beginning is it's a good idea to lie newspaper down or magazines because it's bound to get messy.
Yes.
So maybe making a workspace to get messy should have been the first thing we said. We're sorry, parents.
At least it's fun.
It is fun. Okay, so now it looks kind of milky, like cloudy.
Yeah, mine looks like a little more just runny glue.
I don't even know where my glue is anymore. I mean, I feel it in there, but how long do we stir this? Until it's combined completely? How do you tell?
I'm assuming when you can't see the water versus the glue.
Oh, okay. It's also important to note that the final product of this isn't just a liquid and it isn't just a solid. It's a non-Newtonian fluid because it's both. I think I'm just about mixed.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. So now you're gonna wanna add food coloring or glitter or confetti.
Glitter always makes it pretty.
You can really put whatever you want in here, but for our sake, we're gonna just do food coloring. What color are you doing, Diana?
I'm gonna try red and see how that goes.
Okay, I have yellow. It doesn't say how much food coloring you're supposed to put in there, so I bet you could do as much as you wanted. I was hoping these were like the dripper food coloring. They're not.
Me too. Okay. Oh,
It's gonna be really red, huh?
just a touch.
Put quite a bit of yellow in mine. Okay. Let's do this again. So now you're just gonna stir until you get the color all mixed in. Look at how pretty. Kind of looks like a planet.
Yeah.
And you can have more than one color. You can have color and glitter. You can have glitter and confetti. I think you could put almost anything you wanted in your slime to decorate it.
The more creative, the more fun.
Yeah. Mine kind of looks like eggs. I'm not gonna lie.
Good thing it's breakfast time.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, and then once your color is all mixed in, you're good to add the liquid starch, which is going to change the consistency of your water and your glue.
All right. Here goes nothing.
Yeah, here we go. Make note of what your consistency looks like. So we can see like if more or less cornstarch, liquid starch does something different.
Okay.
Well, now it really looks like eggs.
Yeah, it looks like egg whites. Oh, goodness.
I got slime!
Yeah, I definitely have slime.
Me too.
Oh my goodness.
It's not really taking everything up though. Is yours?
Yeah, mine is like.
Is it the whole thing?
Yeah, like here's mine already. Like.
Oh, there's so much. Maybe it's because I'm on a plate and you're in a bowl, but like, I only have like this one chunk of slime. It's not picking up everything. Like my whole plate isn't mixing together.
We
So
figured out the scientific experiment. More cornstarch seems to do.
because you use more cornstarch or liquid starch, and I like can't tell if it's taking up anything else, or if it like just where I poured it is where the slime is. Because I have this part is slime right here,
Mhm.
and this is all liquid.
Yeah, mine, I don't know if you can see it, but mine is like taking up.
Everything?
Mine is like, that's all slime down in the bottom.
Okay, so make a note, kids at home, that maybe more liquid starch will give you more slime with the other ingredients. It looks like a quarter of a cup. It gave me slime, but I still have lots of this liquid glue mixture left.
Yeah, so for these purposes, looks like a half a cup of liquid starch is what you would want.
Yeah. I want to pick it up. So maybe that's what I need to do.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna like flop mine on the table here.
Look at that. Woo!
Okay. And then let's see if I can. Yeah. That is
Wow.
on mine.
Yours worked well.
Yeah. Now I have a whole bunch of slime.
I'm still mixing. So take home story. Use half a cup of liquid starch and not a quarter of a cup unless you don't want as much slime. In that case, use a quarter of a cup all you want. I think your slime was more successful.
Yeah. Yeah, I've got a couple of handfuls, a couple of good handfuls here. All right.
Yeah, mine. I still have so much glue and water.
At least we know for future experiments the right measurements.
The more liquid starch, the better, apparently. Oh, yep, I made a mess.
That's the best part of science.
Stay tuned for the rest of the winter and spring to see more Science Saturdays from Diana and I. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.